So let's start it. Since I'm not signed in, so I won't be able to see the all the functions of it. So let's first log in. Here I have been logged in. If I go on this view listing, here I can see the name of the product, created by, category, its description, and the starting bid. And since I'm the owner who created it, so I will be able to see the button only of close auction and add to watch list button. You can also comment over here. Let's comment. Okay, now as we can see, my comment has been uploaded. And now if I want to add it to the watch list, on the listing, I see that in a watch list it has been added. Now if I go on create a listing, let's television will be the title. Description. Okay, starting bid will be $100. Okay, URL, let's just only copy from here. Okay, electronics, create listing. Hope it's done. Yeah, I can see it, the image and all the other options. And now let's start the first. I will demonstrate you the categories. So when I click on categories, here I can see only two categories that I have added for now: product and electronics. So now let's move on back to our active listings. Now, okay, let's place a bid. Okay, comment, and now place a bid. What's price is 150. Now let's just place a bid of $200. Okay, the bid has been placed. Okay, now it's made by Hassan. Now we will log out and log in as San. Okay, when I logged in, okay, it's taking a bit time. Okay, here we are. Now back to the iPhones, the headphones. Now if I close the auction here, I can see that auction has been closed and the winner is Ahmed with a bid of $200. There, so that now okay will be closed and he has won the bid like the eBay. Okay, now if we go on the active listings, it is no longer available because now the auction has been closed. So this is how we bid. And if I add it to the watch list, this thing and this thing too, and in the watch list I will be able to see both of these, the SA80 and the television. Minus spelling just okay. Now I hope now only one thing is left, that I just edit the user, I think. Okay, now let's go on admin. Admin, when I go here I can see various listings. If I go and change this one, okay, and make this active, I hope it will work. Okay, first we save it. Now I remove that. Wait. If I delete it, it's going to be deleted. If I go back, so I have our CS50 Web. In this I didn't add the image. In this I added the image. In this I added the image, and now I cannot see the television one because it has been removed by the admin. So this is how I have created a clone of eBay. I hope you like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.